So you're thinking to yourself, I just made this awesome grilled chicken the other day, but I made too much of it, so I've got extra in the refrigerator. What the heck are we gonna do with it? You know what else? I made this really good roasted corn salad the other day as well. Let's make some tacos, baby! Just remember, it doesn't need to be Taco Tuesday to make some bangin' tacos. Let's grab our ingredients. We need our sliced grilled chicken that we made previously, our roasted corn and chorizo salad that we also made previously, some scallions, some sour cream, fresh salsa, corn tortillas, fresh lime juice, heavy cream, and avocado. Let's make some homemade crema. Really simple. All you have to do is take your sour cream, your heavy cream, and your freshly squeezed lime juice. Whisk it together until smooth. And the beauty of this is the lime juice acts as a preservative, and it'll also last you a little bit longer in the refrigerator that way. Now grab your trusty sharp object, and what you're going to want to do is medium dice your chicken. We're going to get it ready so that way we can saute it very briefly to bring it back up to temperature. So make these tacos slightly crispy as well. Now in a saute pan that's been preheated on high heat, let's add some blended oil. Now let's go ahead and toss in our chicken. And you want to toss it around evenly so that way you can get it to lay as flat as possible, because you do want to create a little bit extra crispiness on the skin. While our chicken is crackling away, let's go ahead and play with some avocado. For those of you that haven't messed with avocados before, you want to make sure that they have a medium firmness to them. You want them to be super soft, but you also don't want them to be really firm. You want to cut them in half. You want to remove the pit with your knife, or you can utilize a spoon. Knife's a little bit easier. You want to run your knife through it in straight lines, not all the way through the skin. Use a spoon, scoop it out. Happy are we have avocado. Chicken's looking happy. It's getting crispy. We've got about 6 minutes on it. That's it. Now I hope you're hungry, because it's time to plate these up. You want to take 2 corn tortillas per taco. Stack it with some chicken, hit it with your roasted corn and chorizo salad, toss in a little bit of that fresh salsa. Then you want to work on some of your scallions. Take some of that nice sliced avocado, and then get ready for some magic. So the magic part is that I'm a food snob, and I had to go get squeeze bottles like I used to use in the restaurants. And that's the easiest way to do your crema. You can get a little wild with it. Plus, of course, it looks nice. See, now these are some tacos you can be proud of. You do not have to eat the same thing every day. Even though they're leftovers, you can make them slammin'. Enjoy it, and keep cooking with style. Thanks again for watching, everybody. And if you like my content, there'll be tons more videos right about over in here. I think the link's going to be over there. Yeah, should be. Also, if you'd like to subscribe to my channel and see further content, there'll be a link right up over here. And as well, everything that we just did is going to be in the description down below. And if you feel like being awesome, go ahead and smash that like button, and please subscribe. Once again, keep cooking with style.